Hello and welcome back to the channel of TS Gupta. How are you guys doing? So this is a minimum product maximum result video of makeup tutorial. अगर आपको कहीं जाना है जल्दबाजी में तो आप ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप कुछ सामान अपने साथ लेकर निकल सकते हैं जैसे कि मैंने बताया हुआ है। और उसी के ज़रिए अगर आपके पास एक मिरर हो और अगर ना भी हो तो फिर आपके पास अगर कोई फ़ोन है जो कि हम सबके पास होता है आजकल, तो उसी के ज़रिए हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम लोग वीडियो शूट कर रहे हो तो उसकी तरीके से ही आप अपने आप को एक छोटा सा मेकअप का ट्यूटोरियल, एक पैम्परेशन गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं। वॉच हाउ, फॉलो द स्टेप्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप। थैंक यू। अगर आप ब्रश के ज़रिए मेकअप करने में कंफर्टेबल ना हो, in that case use this beauty blender. It is really smooth, butter soft. When you actually know how to use it, you will have to at first soak it in water and then squeeze out the excess water, not completely dry but let it keep a bit hydrated, and then you see all the makeup products are blending. Now I'll tell you what, if you have a combination skin, please do not apply cream based materials of products on your face. It is going to make your face very cakey. Rather use the powder based things. I'll show you how in my next some video. Probably not on myself but on my mom, because she's having a combination skin, and you can see that with minimum products you can actually get a better result of oh my god, this sound. In case you do not have a lot of products with you while you are traveling, so you can blend it with your finger even, but beauty blender is a beauty blender. Now I'm using certain products which is coal, just a little bit of lining up and then smudging it. So you can see that with minimum things I'm achieving a subtle makeup look. You don't have to always do a lot of makeup do, but then you can have a dewy effect, and this is how I have achieved it. Already moisturized, hydrated my skin with the products, and now with the help of a baby powder I'm going to make it more subtle. So this is how I'm achieving it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to the channel more and more. Please do share it more and more, and do like my videos. It feels that you are appreciating. Subscribers and non-subscribers, I ask you both, I request you both, please do subscribe, please. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.